Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of few-shot learning and how it's revolutionizing AI. Imagine this. You're teaching a child to recognize a new animal. You don't need to show them thousands of pictures. A few examples will do the trick. This is the essence of few-shot learning. Few-shot learning is a technique where an AI model learns to recognize new classes with only a few labeled examples. Unlike traditional models that need massive data sets, few-shot learning aims to generalize from minimal data. Neat, right? So, how does it work? Few-shot learning leverages prior knowledge and advanced learning techniques like meta-learning. This means the AI doesn't start from scratch but uses previously learned information to understand new tasks quickly. Here's where it gets exciting. In real-world scenarios like medical imaging or rare object detection, gathering extensive labeled data is often impractical. Few-shot learning comes to the rescue by allowing models to perform well with limited data. Take medical imaging, for example. Detecting rare diseases from a few scans can drastically improve diagnosis and treatment. Or think about identifying rare objects in security footage. Few-shot learning makes these tasks not only possible but highly efficient. In essence, few-shot learning is making AI more adaptable and efficient. It's a game changer in fields where data is scarce but critical. And that's just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, expect few-shot learning to open up even more possibilities. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI innovations. Catch you next time.